If you're a mom, you know the fear. That one night when your baby just won't stop coughing, I had tried everything steam medicine, chest rubs, but nothing was working fast enough. He was warm, fussy, breathing hot, and I was silently panicking. Then it hit me my Nani's remedy. I had seen her do it so many times. I took mustard oil, dropped in a few garlic cloves, and let them turn golden and crisp. I waited for the oil to cool down to warm, then rubbed it on his ribs, chest, back, and under his tiny feet. Within minutes, he stopped crying, his breathing slowed, and he finally slept. In that moment, I realized some remedies don't come in fancy bottles. They come from generations of love.